Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the SKCY Ioniq 5 sunglass holder. You could probably utilize this for other cars as well, but this is specifically for the Ioniq 5. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase this. This is pretty nice. It has this nice little felt area right here to place your sunglass on, and of course you have to put it right on the ceiling. So you have to remove this right here. Just two clips. You pop these out and then you install it. Luckily it provides you the tooling, so it provides you this little pry tool to remove the clips, including a screwdriver and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. So as you can see right here, you pop this back and there's gonna be two screws and you just unscrew it. As you can see right here, the screws have come off and it's gonna look like this before the installation. Alright everyone, so I went ahead and installed it. Pretty simple, a lot of muscle work though to screw this up. Screw in, I mean the screw into both of these sides. It comes with this plastic little covers as well when you purchase it. In terms of sunglass size, let's go ahead and show you guys here. The sunglasses is a pretty small sunglasses. It's not that big. Let me show you how it fits and how it closes, so you all know. So if you put it in a certain way like this, it's not going to close. Now if you put it in this other way, it's not going to close fully. And if you put in, let's say this way, again, it's not going to close 100%. So it depends on the size of your sunglasses, on how you're putting it in, the angle you're putting it in. It really depends, but overall I like it here because in the Ioniq 5 there's not really a place to put a sunglass holder, so it's nice to have something there. Again, I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested to purchase this type of item. It's not too expensive and it's pretty easy to basically implement within your vehicle. So with that said, thank you for watching. Check you guys out next video.